Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue to make our way east on US Highway 190, beginning in the town of Elton, Louisiana in Jefferson Davis Parish. At this point, we're 83 miles from the Texas state line via US-190, or 62 miles to the state line as the crow flies. US-190 will be taking a northward turn in the next video. We enter Allen Parish, which has an estimated population of 25,684 as of 2016. Allen Parish is named for former Confederate Army General and Governor of Louisiana Henry Watkins Allen. It was separated in 1912 from the larger Calcasieu Parish to the southwest. On September 27, 2008, the Allen Parish Tourist Commission opened Leatherwood Museum in Oakdale in the northern part of the parish, in a two-story house which served during the early 20th century as a hospital where women waited on the second-floor balcony to deliver their babies. The museum focuses on the history of agriculture and timber. We enter the town of Kinder, which has a population of 2,436 as of 2016. James A. Kinder, a Union soldier, went south during the Civil War, and after the war he returned to the state, settling first in Rapides Parish in 1870, then moving south to Kinder. He homesteaded a soldier's land grant of 138.77 acres and built a home and store where Highway 165 and Highway 190 now intersect. His customers called the store Kinder's Store. Kinder is now home to Coshada Casino Resort, the largest casino resort in Louisiana. We enter the village of Reeves, which has an estimated population of 229. Reeves was established in 1911. Based on real estate listings, lots in the Reeves area are priced at $5,000 to $10,000 per acre. We'll wrap this one up here at LA-113. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.